Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to a little bit of an emergency update, perhaps on Popcat. Not sure if I'm going to be calling that, but we have been very volatile basically since yesterday morning. Yesterday morning we already broke above a significant level, which you can also see on a 12-hour time frame at 55 cents. You could see that's a strong level, strong resistance level, very well tested. So breaking above that was already an indication that it was most likely that we were going to be bullish. Now, personally, I did not buy because I think Popcat, like there's a bit of strange rumors around this, all right? So that Popcat is perhaps a bit manipulated together with Mog, and that there's some sort of a group pumping up this coin. So personally, I am a little bit afraid to put a lot of money in, but purely technically, we look very bullish, all right? And that's also what I wanted to talk about. Additionally, what's also true is that when I cover Popcat, believe it or not, but my Popcat videos barely get any views. So unless this time around it's different, that also does tell you something about who's pumping Popcat and whether it's really a lot of people putting money in it or just a smaller group of investors or whales, whatever, artificially pumping up the price. Because trust me, if a meme coin really has a lot of retail in there, I will see that in the views, all right? That's at least historically how it has been. And with Popcat, that hasn't been the case yet. Maybe it changes, we'll see. But if you look at Popcat right now, like I said, purely technically, we are very bullish. We still do need to get some technical confirmations, I think, because like I said yesterday we got a very strong bullish breakout. So a move up to 65 and 70 cents was to be expected. Basically, the previous all-time high, and you can also see my browser is lagging a bit, but you can also see that we gained a lot of momentum leading up to that point in both long positions being opened, but also some major short positions being closed. So that's good momentum. And then we got more bidding earlier this morning. We also got some major short liquidations here at the top. So that's all good, all right? When the momentum keeps increasing while you get such big short liquidations, that's bullish, all right? Because usually if you get so many short liquidations, that's a bit of a point of reversal, or at least a point of some sort of a pullback. So if I look at all of that, I would be very bullish. Now, the one thing I kind of struggle with is the rumors, all right? The rumors about what I've heard from Popcat. And then also what we see right here is that there's a bit of a convergence here where the open interest stays the same, but the CVD is dropping down, which basically means that those longs that we had are transforming into shorts. So longs are being closed, shorts are being opened, which is also not a great sign. And then maybe those short liquidations that happened earlier actually still matter. So for me, purely technically, it's hard to. I would stay away from trading Popcat. If I purely technically have to tell you what I think is most likely, what I think then is that, well, this level right here between 65 and 70 cents is a very strong key level. We broke above that with momentum. The market is relatively strong as well, so therefore it's most likely we will continue up towards 87 and 90 cents, which I would say is the next price target, because that's the 1.618 of this move down we had, and the 1.618 is usually very strong. So if I have to tell you my most likely scenario, I would say this is it, all right? A bullish continuation. Maybe if I'm being a little bit more detailed, I would say something like this is most likely, right? So that we will have some price action on top of that level. But this is what I think is most likely. Now, does that mean that I think you should buy? Not necessarily. You do need to do your own analysis on that, because like I said, I will not buy this. So for me, it's very easy to say that it's most likely will go up. You have to be convinced yourself as well. Because if anything happens and we'll see some sort of a big closure of positions while Bitcoin is bearish as well, we can do something like this like very quickly. So be careful for that. Those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.